guys, it's Casey Brim. I'm going to be sharing with you my tanning routine for my wedding summer glow using the Coco & Eve Sunny Honey Barley Bronzing Foam. I have tried the ultra dark and I love it, but for today I'm going to be using the dark and just keeping it on for a little bit longer. I really love both formulas of both the shades, but I feel like for my skin tone I think the dark one really just complements it beautifully and I get such a gorgeous tan out of this one. Obviously, because this is my wedding tan, I wanted to make sure that I went with the most seamless formula possible. I have been trying tans for the last year, but I have absolutely fallen in love with the Sunny Honey Bronzing Foam. It is phenomenal. I feel like I get the most even tan. It also wears really beautifully, so it's gonna look really great all across my honeymoon. I'll get more into why I love the tan a little bit later on, but first I wanted to let you know how I prep my skin before I tan. So this is the Coco & Eve Glow Figure Barley Buffing Sugar. It is amazing. It smells incredible. The scent is lychee and dragon fruit. Oh my god. I want to just live in this tub. It smells so incredibly good, and when it's all over your body, buffing off the dead skin, giving your skin a really nice fresh canvas for tan, it is like a treat. It's like dessert for your nose. I can't even deal. It is the best smelling thing ever. Prepping my skin is absolutely crucial to make sure that I have the perfect base for my wedding summer glow. With sweet almond and coconut oil, it helps to moisturize the skin, feeling really soft and smooth. The Balinese coconut sugar and coconut shell powder exfoliates the skin, removing dead skin. Volcanic ash buffs away dullness and impurities. The most perfect way to leave your skin feeling really silky and smooth, and it's gonna help to make your tan really even because you won't have any dry patches that the tan can cling onto. Then the next step of my skin prep is the Coco & Eve Glow Figure Body Moisture Whip. This is also amazing to apply to prolong your tan. Once it's on, I use it as my moisturizer. It also smells incredible. The scent is lychee and dragon fruit as well. So not only do you get to smell like that in the shower when you're buffing off all the dead skin, you can smell like this all day long, baby. It is so delicious. I've never smelled anything like this before. It is beyond amazing. Obviously, I won't be putting this all over my body to prep the skin, but I will be putting this all over my hands, feet, knees, elbows, and anywhere that is a dry patch for me. I'll just pop a little bit of this on there, and it really helps to keep the hands and feet and everything really nice and blended, and it doesn't over tan those dry areas, which can just be a dead giveaway for an uneven tan. Now that my skin is in the perfect condition to have the tan on, I'm going to be applying the Barley Bronzing Tan in the shade Dark right now all over my body. I'm so excited to get this tan on. I feel very pasty. Other than doing my tan today, I am getting my hair done, my lashes done, and all of the wedding prep is in full swing. I thought I'd be more nervous about doing my tan myself, but because I know that Coco & Eve has the best formula ever, I know I'm not going to have a single streak, I'm not going to have tan hands, I'm going to have the most seamless tan for the perfect day. This formula is amazing. There are no streaks, no bad smells, no stress. It has the unique cellular shape formula as well, and it helps to hydrate and firm the skin. It's enriched with barley-inspired ingredients that help to improve the signs of aging. It blurs pigmentation for perfect skin. Oh my goodness, the tropical Balinese mango and guava scent is so delicious. Brandon loves to smell me. It literally is his favorite smelling tan ever, and I love it too. It's a lightweight, non-sticky formula with a green grade base for a natural looking golden glow without the orangey tones. It's really fast drying and it develops in just 2 hours. I personally like to leave it on overnight, or at least for about 5 hours during the day, just to give me that really nice deep glow. I've just popped on long sleeve, long pants, silk pajamas just while the tan cooks. I haven't yet tanned my face, but I will be doing that for about an hour a little bit later on. I use the Coco & Eve Sunny Honey Bronzing Face Drops. I just put a couple of drops in my normal moisturizer and let it sit on for a little bit and then washed it off, and I had a lovely bronze glow to my face. I don't usually like to tan my face, but this I feel like is a really nice little subtle glow, and it helps to match the face to the body. But I'm gonna let this cook for about 6 hours and I will show you guys what it looks like when I wash it off. Okay, I just popped out of the shower and washed my body. I still have my makeup on, but I wanted to show you guys what the tan looks like after leaving it to develop for 6 hours. Again, you can sleep overnight in this. You can leave it longer. You can leave it for 12 hours. You can leave it for 2 hours. It's going to give you a beautiful glow, but this is after 6 hours. How gorgeous is it? Like, oh my god, stop it. Sorry, I'm just so excited. This tan is the best tan I have ever used in my life. It doesn't become like tiger bread and go stripy and peel off. It just fades naturally. I can usually get about 9 days out of my tan before I have to scrub it off and start again. It doesn't go patchy or it doesn't come off in certain areas. It just really, really evenly fades. As long as you're moisturizing twice a day, you can really get a really long wear out of this gorgeous tan. I'm just a little bit obsessed right now. Isn't it just to die for? I'm just living for this tan. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you later. Bye.